In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add event list. We'll be creating an event list overlay in StreamElements and then adding it into OBS or any similar streaming software so your recent followers, subscribers, and tips can appear on screen during your stream. This is a great way to make your stream feel more interactive and to highlight community activity in real time. First, head over to the StreamElements dashboard. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the Streaming Tools menu and click on Overlays. This is where you can create and manage visual elements that appear on your stream. Next, click New Overlay. You'll be asked to choose a screen size, so select the one that matches your stream setup, such as 1080p, and then click Start. Choosing the correct resolution here is important because it helps your overlay fit properly when you bring it into your streaming software later. When the overlay editor opens, click the plus icon at the bottom of the canvas. This is how you add new elements to your overlay. From there, select static or labs, or look for labels or event list, depending on how your layout is organized. StreamElements can sometimes group these options slightly differently, so just look for the section that includes event-related widgets. Now choose the event list widget. This widget is designed to display recent activity like follows, subscriptions, and tips. Once it appears on your canvas, you can position it wherever you want it to show up on stream. After that, use the settings panel on the left side to customize how the event list looks. You can change how many recent events are displayed, adjust the font style, update text and background colors, and choose the layout direction. Take a moment here to make sure it matches the rest of your stream design and is easy for viewers to read. Once you're happy with the setup, click Save in the top right corner and give your overlay a name. After saving, click the Copy URL button near the save area to copy your unique overlay link. This link is what you'll use inside your streaming software. Now open OBS Studio or your preferred streaming program. Add a new browser source, then paste in the StreamElements overlay URL you just copied. Finally, set the width and height to match the canvas size you selected earlier in StreamElements. That way, the overlay displays correctly without stretching or cropping. Once that's done, your event list should be ready to go on your stream.